Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So it's 13th of January. So here I am again with a shein haul, and this time I'm going to do a men's wear. Okay, I have got no idea what I got. So it's for my husband and my son. We just decided to buy things for them without showing them, but Edwin already checked Shein account, and he was waiting for the delivery this morning because he knows that it will come today, but the package just arrived and literally he doesn't know. He's in his room, and I am going to open it with them because why not. Hubby is here. Eddie,
All together around.
actually this is menswear. It comes very nicely packed, as you can see.
And there's one extra one, they put it here just like this. This
Comes
is the
nicely packed, as you can see.
and separately.
Okay.
Okay.
This is a white shorts. Looks like this. Nice. I think it's Eddie's.
Yeah.
This is how nicely it's packed, and it's a sportswear.
I like Manfinity.
And this is a shorts. Sports is written, as you can see, and it's nice.
And inside?
Inside, it's like this,
It has a support.
and it also has two pockets. The quality is really good. I love
yeah.
it. Okay, the next one.
This is the best brand actually. Manfinity? Yes. Ever.
Okay, good.
Oh wow.
This t-shirt, which is so cute. Oh, look at the design.
Something like a black cat.
I chose that.
What's at the back?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's plain.
I chose that.
Okay, so this is-
I chose it.
okay, this is a shorts. It's nice.
Wow.
And in size 3XL.
Buksa.
It's,
Yeah, Edwin.
it's endless. And got something small here. Let's see. Okay, it's a gym wear.
Oh, wow.
Who got this?
This is fake in me.
No.
This is
And another one is, whose is this?
yeah,
one?
this is Edwin because big.
Oh my gosh, I love this one.
Look at the color
I
design.
also chose that one.
Whoa, let me have a look. Wow, so thick.
I like it. I love it.
Yeah, it's good.
Hooray! I chose that.
Hooray, put it aside.
Back looks simple.
You have to clean your
What the
wardrobe.
fuck? There's another one.
Okay, this one I got two. One is for hubby. Looks small.
What is in the large, isn't it?
Excel.
What the hell?
Yeah,
That
no,
does
just the
not-
design makes it a little bit smaller, but it's good.
Another one.
Oh, I also chose that one.
Oh, New Jersey. Oh.
Like, it's pretty.
It's
Let's
gonna
see.
take half an hour to complete all this.
Yeah.
Your battery gonna be flat.
Okay, so this one looks like.
Oh!
I chose
Shiba.
this one.
This is Edwin.
Yeah.
This is very nice. Look at the cola.
Yeah, just because of the
Look
color.
at the Chinese
coding.
cola.
It's beautiful.
This is the best one actually.
Wait, what's that? I thought you said those buttons.
No, no,
Eddie.
no.
Oh.
They're not that size.
Okay, another gym wear.
Oh wow.
Oh, Los Angeles. Any refresher.
Okay, another one in the size. Okay, this is Eddie's. Wow, I like this one.
Wow, very simple.
Look at the pocket and the sleeve.
Mm.
I don't think I'll ever wear that
What?
Why?
because of the pocket. I
Why?
don't like those shirts with pockets.
No, you have to.
You have to wear now.
You want
Yeah.
it?
No, it's
want
yours.
it?
No, it's yours.
Isha can have it.
No, it's yours.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll wear it at home.
Okay.
That's a good thing.
Next one is like this.
Ah, that's mine.
It's gym wear.
What's written?
Okay, read.
Beast strength.
Yeah,
I hope.
it's nice.
Yeah.
And the next one,
Okay, I agree. That's the best brand, you know, Infinity. At least you've done the right thing. Wow, Chicago.
I'll always do the right thing.
I have the blue one already.
No, look at the writing there. It's like popped out. Like
And let's see the next one.
this is mine.
This is Eddie's.
Never mind, it's in the freaking basket. I have not one in there.
Wow,
Looks
look at
like
that. What is that?
I don't know.
Yeah, look at north and south.
It's compass.
Yeah.
He said that.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Eliza was saying.
Okay, I got this one. Same is Edwin's.
Yeah, that's Edwin's.
Oh, this is another one without a pocket. Oh, this is a bit different now.
Very different.
Yeah.
Completely.
Yeah, do you want the one with pocket?
This is
Turn
mine.
it again. Okay, XXL.
Mm.
XXL looks small now, but looks cute. You like it?
Yeah.
This is all men's wear, okay? This is men's.
You're just supporting. Okay, Brooklyn.
Yeah, who the hell is that?
Oh dear.
Yeah,
What is
that's-
this shit?
Those are
Hey.
freaking fit Eliza. What?
You give it to Liza.
Yeah.
Size 6, medium, eh?
Yeah.
Nah, not me.
What the fuck?
Who the hell bought that for? Huh?
Maybe a mistake.
Mistake se
Yeah.
vai woman size, eh? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think I had that in the car and you forgot to untick it.
No, they're rusty.
Yeah.
Brooklyn is nice.
Yeah. I think that's Edwin.
Okay.
He already has pink.
No.
I don't know where it went.
Maybe this one. Edwin, yeah.
He went, what happened to my other pink shorts? Huh?
It's not pink.
Why with that?
I haven't seen it for like a good 6 months now.
Oh, berry.
Okay, this is a gym.
Oh,
Oh wow, that's beautiful.
that's mine.
Those are just boxes.
Yeah.
Ah,
No, it's a short.
it's so fluffy.
He's gonna wear it all day.
Okay,
Wow.
another gym wear.
Ah, this is mine. Yeah, what is that? Oh,
strength.
beast strength.
Same hai ula hai color different.
Yeah.
hai na? Okay, next one.
You're gonna take another 15 minutes for that.
Okay.
This is mine.
Another shorts. Here it says power
House.
up.
Ah, this one is good.
What size is that?
Yeah, this is small.
This is size XL.
Mm.
Papa ke mostly gym wear hai. Okay, next one looks like this. Oh
That's
my
Yeah,
God.
doing it.
That's Edwin. I
Wow.
chose that one. Wow, it's
JB.
so skibbity. Do you like it?
Yeah,
Good.
I'll wear it at home.
What?
No, it's white.
Exactly.
This one, Edwin.
I think.
Oh, this is a nice material.
Wow, that's
Ah,
so
tea,
simple.
yeah, this is a tree coconut.
Coconut tree.
I already have one.
No, wait. It's a palm tree.
Oh, palm tree.
Yeah, they're cousins anyway.
Another one.
Oh, this is mine.
I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's ladies.
Oh.
Hey!
What?
Wow, look at the lines.
Okay, what is that supposed to be?
No, it's just nothing.
It's just lines.
It's just shiny lines which is gonna shine in the night.
I think, no?
Yeah, I think so. The two
Wait, it says something. Legend.
Okay.
legendary. Eh?
Ooh, pink.
Another thing.
Or red.
No, red. It's weird.
Oh,
Oh, best Papa's, I think.
Yeah. Papa.
Like this.
Wow.
Oh, love. This is
Oh,
for
This
Valentine's
is like,
Day.
oh.
It's a Valentine's gift.
What?
Cute. You wear on
Yeah.
Valentine's Day. Okay. Next
Should it
month.
be the anniversary first?
No, don't.
Now only one.
Valentine's Day.
Not.
Exactly.
Valentine's isn't February.
Okay, this one
Okay.
is Eddie's.
Hmm.
No.
No pocket. Wow, this is a very good one actually. Same as the other one. See, there's a yeah, New York City. Yeah, see?
Oh wow. I didn't see.
Yeah, the other one has it as as well.
Oh, okay.
The other one. Mm.
So where all this at now?
Yeah, all this stuff now.
You're gonna get smacked in your ass.
This
On
one?
your ass.
No.
Yeah.
But
This one, Edwin.
this one looks
It looks like very Converse style, isn't it? It looks like Converse style. Oh, this is very,
wow, ये
very thick.
कितना सुंदर लगे ना कितना जस्टी सुंदर है
Can you stop, Papa?
That's Converse
Oh, it's
style.
beautiful.
Edwin, you take a look.
That's the material.
Touch.
Nice.
Touch it.
It's so cotton.
हाँ, like it's good for this weather, ना? Summertime. Huh?
It's gonna be so sweaty.
Yeah, you when you jump out, why?
So it's nice and cool.
Sorry?
Another white one.
Ah, this is mine.
Did you?
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you guys are gonna be matching.
Yeah. It will be shown.
White looks really good, na? On like everyone, na? Okay. Second last one.
This is mine.
I think.
Oh, it's mine.
Nope. Wait,
Oh, it's Eddie's.
देखिए आगे?
that's the back.
हैं? Wow, burning.
Nice. Green looks really good on Edwin.
He has never worn green.
Yeah, he's
Yes, he does.
wearing. Yeah.
Okay, this is a gift.
Oh,
Oh, that's socks.
This is my sock.
look at the quality of this one.
Didn't you get black?
Yeah, you said black.
Yeah, didn't you get black?
Got white bedding.
And then after
You
black.
said black.
Wow, look at
But
the.
it's still good anyway.
Wow.
That's so sick about.
I keep some.
What do you mean?
Actually, I got this for myself.
Why?
1, 2, 3
Ah.
pair, 6 pair.
Six pair to me. हुई.
हाँ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. तुम कितना पेयर बनता?
3 pair.
1, 2. Okay, तुम दो 2 pair.
Hey, I said 3 pair.
She said 3, Mom.
Let to make.
Oh, what the fuck?
Let to make.
You go.
नहीं उसके नहीं दो
नहीं,
ना.
नहीं.
Stop!
नहीं,
We
नहीं.
need socks.
ना उसके 4 है.
ना,
सुनना सुनना.
फोर नहीं है बस 2 है.
ना बस 2 एक दो एडविन के.
ले ले जा ईशा.
एडविन के दे दी.
Huh? Go and buy more.
Yeah, I will buy more.
Maybe.
She's so mean, guys.
हाँ तुम रखो.
Oh yeah. I'm still gonna steal from you.
एडविन के पास नहीं था.
एडविन के पास लॉक्स है.
Yeah, he bought
Ah,
like
then-
a lot. from
Yeah, it's
Kmart.
not lock. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and it was swear haul. Thank you so much for watching. Do watch our other videos. It's up on my channel, like more shein haul. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Bye!
I'm going to do some workout now.
Some boys are fatty.
देखो इतना रोज से एक्सरसाइज नहीं करी से लड़की.
सब लटक गए. ऐसा.